First of all, a big thanks to PCBWay for making this video possible. PCBWay is currently hosting the 5th PCB design contest where you can submit original designs to be judged and potentially win cash prizes, store credit, and a Raspberry Pi 4. You heard it right. Those have been hard to find recently. If you are interested in looking into this, I'll leave a link down below. The last day for submission of any of your projects is December 31st, 2022. Get your design submitted and good luck to all of you. This will be another relatively quick one as I'm doing another set of earbuds, and these are just difficult to talk about. And I guess I have gone to dinner with KZ in the order to taste the offerings. Good is good to me, and I am not typically an earbuds kind of guy, but the PR1s are quite nice. The entire design is designed around an open back feel with aluminum construction design, which feels quality, and somewhat different from even the KZ AS16s that I have. The PR1s are more of a true monitor than I expected, and they utilize an in-ear 13mm driver. With the volume all the way up at the higher dB ranges, they expose certain flaws, and that's kind of what you want with reference monitoring. They claim an impedance of 16 ohms. I'm inclined to believe it. It's sort of unbelievable in a way. Listening to them is believing, in my opinion, and to me, they work exactly as expected and they sound really good. They have really deep lows, they have crisp mids and crisp highs, and it sounds just really nice all around. In the box are additional size tips if you have a different kind of weird shaped ear, I guess. I don't know. That's probably not nice to say to anybody with weird shaped ears, but they have different tips from small to large, and the ones that are equipped on it are kind of the medium size. They also have the familiar short TRRS cable, which like the AS16s hook around the ear for added security, though the range of it is pretty short, just something to keep in mind if you're going to be pretty far away from your input. In all ranges of sound that they create, I find myself pretty satisfied. The higher dB ranges flatten out so that you can do some solid monitoring, and overall they offer a pretty good clean sound. To me, these aim at one true purpose, and that is for actual monitoring. While you can listen to and enjoy music on a casual level, these are really designed primarily and intended for audio work. If you're not wanting to drop the small earbud fortune on higher end solutions and instead you just want to try something like this that has something nice to offer, I would encourage you give it a shot. The worst case scenario is that they're not going to be for you, and you just send them back, right? Earbuds can be particularly difficult to cover as audio is very subjective. We all hear fairly differently, and what we all like is going to be very different. So take anything with a grain of salt from anybody that says anything about anything audio. Ultimately, it is about you, and it may take some searching for to find out what works best for you. In my opinion, this is a good starting place if you're looking to try something like that, and if you don't like them and they sound bad, well then move on to the next thing. Anyways, I hope that was somewhat helpful to you guys. I know that these just are difficult to cover. Anybody can describe what they hear to you, but then you get them and it sounds polar opposite. It's one of those difficult things to do. But like I said, I hope it was somewhat helpful to you. I think that these are worth consideration for what it's worth. And I hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video that I do.